In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide edges in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever been unsure why certain shapes show a blue outline when you click them, or why that outline suddenly disappears, this quick walkthrough will clear things up. In Illustrator, those blue outlines are called edges, and they're simply the visible paths and anchor points of your selected objects. They're incredibly useful when you're aligning, adjusting, or precisely selecting parts of your artwork. But when your canvas gets busy, turning edges off can make it easier to focus on the artwork itself. Start by opening your document in Illustrator. With your file active, look toward the top of the screen and open the View menu. From there, choose Show Edges. If edges were hidden, they'll turn back on, and you'll immediately notice that any selected object displays its blue bounding paths and anchor points. This makes it easy to see exactly what you have selected and where your points and curves are. There's also a faster way to toggle this on and off. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H on Windows or Command+H on a Mac. Think of it as a switch. Press it once to hide edges, press it again to show them. This is especially handy when you're moving quickly between fine-tuning details and reviewing your design without visual clutter. Just a quick note for Mac users. If your system tries to hide the application when you press Command+H, make sure Illustrator is the active window and that you're using the shortcut inside Illustrator. When edges are visible, you'll see blue paths around the selected objects, plus anchor points and direction handles as you work with the pen or direct selection tools. This feedback helps with precise alignment, snapping, and editing curves. When you want a cleaner view,